Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we'll discuss how we can install NordVPN on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that NordVPN is one of the most popular VPN out there. If you're looking for the best VPN for your Mac operating system, then you can simply install and use NordVPN. To install NordVPN, simply open any browser and visit nordvpn.com. You can also visit the link provided in the description box to get some special discount when you buy NordVPN plans. Now to download the NordVPN installer file, simply click on Download VPN option and here simply select your operating system as macOS. Now to download, simply click on Download App option. And here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time to download. Let me complete the download process. After the download has been completed, simply open the installer file. So here we have the installer window. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply click on continue. Now simply click on continue and here click on install. Now simply enter your system password to install the software and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply click on close. Now if you want to delete the NordVPN installer file, then simply click on move to trash. Now to open NordVPN, click on launchpad icon and open NordVPN application. Now to use it, simply sign in with your NordVPN account. After that, you are ready to use NordVPN on your macOS. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.